guys, it's Andrew and Prudence once again. So what are we doing today?
Today we're going rafting, baby!
Come along!
So we've been driving for the past hour from Semnyak. Now we're in Ubud and we're just arriving at the rafting place. The drive has been smooth. Been blessed to have a good driver and a good tour service that has been so comfortable. So yeah, we've just arrived at the rafting place. So after registration, we met our guide who got us ready for the trip.
The guy was very nice. He helped us get our life jackets on and the helmets. Also not forgetting the pedals.
From the tour service offices, we use a shuttle, well, an open truck, to get to the starting point.
So the drive from the offices where we registered to the starting point was about 4.5 miles. As soon as we got there, we started going down the hill. The hill was quite steep.
It's quite a steep walk down from where the shuttle left us, and I can hear the river now. We're just going down this very steep hill. There are steps though, which is helpful. There's Prudence. You okay?
Yep.
It's very steep. Yeah, you need to be very careful indeed, especially here. You are not coming back here, right?
No,
Different place.
different place.
Is it steep like this?
Not so.
Not so much.
So don't worry.
Okay.
So little bit walk, we can drop you with the car later.
Okay.
You made it. How was it?
It's very tiring.
Yeah, but you made it.
Yeah, I think going up is easier than going down.
So we've just done a 15-minute hike down this very steep hill. So we're about to hop in the rafts. And yeah, this is it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And so welcome to the Ayung River. So welcome with the company with Yellow Garden Rafting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And the first time, please later some comment. So in direction, please the listing for me. Okay.
Okay.
So we have some comment later. We have forward pedal.
Forward pedal.
Forward pedal. Yeah.
Okay.
Back pedal, push the ground, back pedal.
Okay.
We give stop pedal, stop.
Stop.
We have a rope in the raft, so all done in the rope.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa. Okay.
After the safety talk, we were on our way.
I have been wanting to do this for a long time, and finally I got to do it.
The experience was nerve-wracking at first, but once you get into it, it becomes easier.
What is that? Rock art.
Culture in Ramayana Sita.
Ah, very beautiful.
Only Ayung River has culture.
Okay.
After about 45 minutes of paddling and braving the rough terrain that is the Ayung River, we deserved a break, and we stopped by the waterfall.
Okay, please get on. Come inside. Burden, be careful. Careful. Oh, Andrew, Burden, come inside.
We took a few photos and videos. The waterfalls were amazing. They were so beautiful.
After our short break, the second leg of the journey began. Rafting was a bucket list moment for both of us. So babe, what stood out for you?
The waterfalls stood out for me. What about you? What stood out for you?
What stood out for me was the scenery. We passed by beautiful hotels, we passed by very rough terrain, and we also had very peaceful moments where we just got to talk and just enjoy the view. And of course, when in Indonesia, you do it as the Indonesians do. This was so much fun. So our adventure ended on that high note, and we had our shuttle waiting for us after a 5-minute walk.
Yeah, that's good.
They took
Hello,
good,
Garden.
yeah, they took good care of us. Amazing tour guide.
Yana.
Yes, thank you so
amazing
much.
tour guide.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Take a shower first.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we see you. Okay.
Take a shower. Is this Indonesian food?
Yeah, Indonesian
Traditional
food.
Indonesian food.
Yeah, Indonesian food.
Wow, looks very nice. So that's it for this rafting video. What an amazing day. Just finished 2 hours of rafting. That was crazy. How did you feel about it?
A very good experience.
Yeah.
You guys will try it. Worth every penny.
She is exhausted from all the pedaling, but we had so much fun.
Yeah,
it was
worth
amazing.
It. Yeah.
So that's the end, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to keep watching, and
Like, subscribe, and comment.
yes, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our next adventure. Bye.
Bye.